Hi, my name is David and I'm with Valley Alarm, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on a DSC Wireless Motion Detector. The model number for this motion detector is WS4904. Let's get started. Now, before you even touch this device and try and take it off the wall, the very first thing that you're going to want to do is give us a call and ask us to place your system on test. This is a precautionary step that you're going to want to take because you're removing this device off the wall and you don't want to accidentally set off the alarm and trigger any false alarm fine. So go ahead and give us a call, ask us to put your system on test, and then come back to the video. And once you've completed that step, the very next thing that you want to do is to remove the detector from the base. So here is the detector. This is the base. This base is usually attached to your wall, and the detector looks down like that, and the light flashes every time it detects movement. Most of the time these detectors are secured to the base with a screw, and that's done for security purposes so someone can just come by and pop it off and walk away with it. So if you have a screw here, go ahead and use a small screwdriver to remove the small screw and set it aside. Once you have that screw set aside, you just want to pull up on the device to separate it from the base. Now I'm going to set mine to the side. Once you have the device removed from the base, go ahead and turn it around. And this tab here is a tamper switch. Be sure not to break that. It's plastic and you can break it, and if you do break it, unfortunately you have to replace the device, so please don't break that. But what you want to do is use your thumb to open this door. But before I do that, I do want to point out that sometimes there's also a screw here as well to keep this battery compartment secure. So if you see a screw there, go ahead and remove it and set it next to the other screw. Now you want to use your thumb to slide the door up and set the door aside, and then there you go, that's the battery. Next, you want to use your fingernail or your thumbnail to pop the battery out. It should pop right out with no trouble. I'm going to set the detector to the side. Now, to talk a little bit about this battery, as you can see, this is a CR123A 3-volt battery. This is a lithium battery. These batteries you can find in a lot of places. You can typically find them at your chain drug stores. The big national stores have them. You can also find them at your big box stores, chain stores, retail stores. So these batteries are plentiful. If you happen to be a customer of ours, you can also give us a call and we'll go ahead and ship you out some of these in the mail. But once you have the old battery out, go ahead and set that battery aside and grab your new battery and replace it in the detector. Now, to replace the battery in the detector, it's pretty easy. This detector has a diagram on the back, and you just want to make sure that your battery is oriented the same way as the diagram shows. And once you have the replacement battery, go ahead and slide it off in there like that until it clicks. Once it's clicked off in there, go ahead and grab the battery compartment door and slide that back on. You'll want to go ahead and replace that screw if yours had one, and then go ahead and turn the device around. As you can see, it's flashing because the battery is in there, and you want to go back over to the base and just slide the detector back on the base. In this case, it should slide down and click into place. And then if yours had the screw on the bottom, you just want to go ahead and grab that screw, put the screw in there, grab the screwdriver, screw it back in there, and you're all set. Now, the next thing that you want to do is go over to your keypad. Because you took this device down to replace the battery, you should have a trouble condition on your keypad. So you want to reset your alarm so that your keypad shows ready to arm. Once your keypad shows ready to arm, then you're ready to go over and give us a call and let us know that we can remove the test condition off your system because you're finished replacing the battery. And with that, you're all set. So if you found this video helpful, please go ahead and hit the like button and leave a comment below. Thank you very much.